today's video I have the July OK Beauty box. Let's get in here and see what we've got. Hi there guys, and welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if you are new here. Today's video, like I said, this is the July OK Beauty box and we are going to see exactly what is in here. So here it just says this box has been lovingly created by our expert beauty team with you in mind. Inside you'll discover a minimum of 5 products worth at least £80, all tried, tested and loved by our beauty editors. This box costs £15 per month. There is a code, I found it on their website. I don't know if it's still in date, but it's worth giving it a go. If you click the link down below in the information box, the code is there and you'll get your first box half price, which is £7.50. But this is inside the box. It just says here this edit is called the Happiness Edit. Little sneak peek of what is in there. And this has all the information on the products too, so we will certainly be looking at that throughout the video. Here we have just some split on their magazine. I think you can get money off or something or other, but yeah, let's have a good dig through to see exactly what we've got. If you guys have not already, if you want to hit that subscribe button, come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I really hope that you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It helps my channel out so much. Right, so let's get straight into the products that we've got. So product number 1 is this. So this is by the brand Aromatherapy Associates and it's a de-stress muscle gel. This is a travel size 40ml and it has an RRP of £8. It just says whether you're on your feet all day, hunched over a laptop for hours, or a keen gym goer, this is to fix your sore muscles. Yeah, that sounds actually really cool. I'm going to the gym at the moment, so I think this is definitely going to come in handy. I get very sore legs. I like to use the treadmill. If you are interested, I will link a video up top there. I've started keeping updates on weight loss and stuff like that if you are interested. It just says massage this into your joints as necessary or apply the gel to sore spots. It's a blend of essential oils including lavender and energising rosemary plus warming ginger, black pepper for aiding recovery. Yeah, cool. Very affordable I must say, and I have had a few bits from Aromatherapy Associates and I've really quite liked the bits that I've received, so yeah, can't wait to try that out. Second product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Bloom and Blossom and it's a hands up age defying hand cream. This is a travel size, it's a 5ml, don't get a lot, and it has an RRP of £6 and it just says smoother youthful happiness into your hands with this ultra nourishing formula which leaves skin soft, hydrated, bright and restored. High five to that. Okay, so yeah, you just massage it into your hands, paying extra attention to the backs of your hands. Use it day and night. It's a non-sticky, fast absorbing hand cream containing niacinamide to help improve signs of skin damage. It's hand cream. I can't really get excited about hand cream. I've got so much of it from obviously when the pandemic was on, all the boxes was giving out like millions of hand sanitizers and hand creams, so I think I have had this one before. It's okay. Yeah, it's okay. The third item we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Wild Science Lab and it's Happy Balance Clarifying Essence. It's travel size, it's 50ml and it has an RRP of £15. Tackle oily, congested or combination skin with this clinically proven liquid exfoliant created to balance and refine blemish prone complexion. Soak on a cotton pad and dab gently across the cleansed face, avoiding the eye area. It contains exfoliating AHAs plus a powerful BHA and zinc complex to help decongest pores and improve texture. And I must admit my skin is got quite a bit of texture at the moment, but yeah, I love trying stuff like that, and it's really nice to get something different by Wild Science Labs. Normally it's the shampoos and conditioners, isn't it? So yeah, I can't wait to try that. Fourth product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Able Skincare, and this is a Pro Filter Collagen Skin Perfecting Primer. This is a full-size product with 30 mils inside. It has an RRP of £77. This ultra luxurious primer makes your complexion look brighter and smoother in a single swipe and creates the ideal makeup base. Apply as a final step to your skincare products to give a dewy, bright finish. So yeah, I'm actually getting quite into my primers at the moment, especially when they're more skincare based. That's where I'm more likely to use them. So me personally, I wouldn't go out and purchase this. I can't afford £77. So I do like getting something expensive in the box that I can try out and see what I'm missing out on. So I don't know if I've had this before by Able Skincare. Have we? I don't think so. That's my belly making noises. Oh my god, I hope you can't hear it. Yeah, I don't know, but it's certainly going to get a good try out from me. The fifth and final product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Balance Me, and it's a pre and probiotic radiance cream. It's 10 mils in here, which is travel size, and it has an RRP of £10. It's a lightweight gel moisturiser that reboots radiance, while an active prebiotic and probiotic complex supports and protects your skin's microbiome. Smooth one pump of cream onto cleansed skin using gentle upward strokes. It boasts a mood-lifting scent and salicylic acid, willow bark and gentle PHAs to remove dead skin cells to reveal a fresh glow. Tongue twister. Yeah, so I do actually like this brand. We normally receive a lot of the same products by this brand. I don't think I've received this one before. I don't think. Or have I? I don't think I have. But it does look similar because obviously the packaging is similar for the products that they do. But yeah, that will be going into my little skincare drawer, and it will be getting tried out because yeah, I do like the products that I've tried from them so far. Hey guys, so this is the July Happiness Edit by OK Beauty Box. What do you think? Personally, it's not a box I'm excited about, unfortunately, especially when one of their products, this one, the hand cream, one, it's hand cream, I'm sick of getting hand creams, but two, it's 5 mils. They really class that as a product in the box, 5 mils. It's a bit teeny tiny and sad, really. I am happy we've got the Able Skincare products. I do like trying expensive skincare that I can't necessarily buy for myself, so that's nice. The muscle gel stuff, that's going to be interesting to try, see what that feels like. That's a nice product. I mean, it's got some nice products in there, but nothing that really wows me. I don't find it exciting, but I think with that one product, the Able Skincare, it obviously does make it worth it to get the box for the price wise I'm on about. The long version of saying that. But yeah, I don't know. What do you think? Comment down below, tell me what you think. I'm really nosy, and see if other people have your same thoughts. But yeah, that basically concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.